Hello and welcome back to week 6 of Bake at Work. So tonight we're going to make oatmeal biscuits. 90 grams of oats, 90 grams of coconut, 90 grams of self-raising flour, 135 grams of margarine or butter, 35 grams of sugar and a pinch of baking soda. To start, we add the margarine and the sugar. We need to cream this a bit. So you gotta make sure that if it's butter you're using, it's soft. After about 5 or 6 minutes, when you've creamed it together, you just add the dry ingredients. So the oats, coconut, self-raising flour, and the pinch of baking soda. So just with a spoon to start with. Mix it all up. After a certain time, you'll have to start using your hand to bring it together. Hold this together. Just add a bit of flour to the bench and pin it out. You want to pin it about 1 centimeter thick and cut it out with a cutter. Any cutter will do. So once you've got it cut out, you bring it back together again. Yeah, pin it out again. So when you've got them all cut out, you're straight to the oven. So the oven's 180 degrees and for approximately 15 minutes or till they're golden brown. And don't forget, halfway through the bake, turn them round. Okay, folks, so after about 15 minutes or when they're golden brown, take them from the oven and dust them with a little bit of sugar. So enjoy your bake and don't forget to send plenty of photos.